In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate and download PowerPoint presentations with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a super helpful trick if you want to create slides quickly for school, work, client presentations, or content ideas without starting from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside, go to the chat box and type a clear prompt for the presentation you want to create. For example, you can type "create 3 slides of PPT on digital marketing in PPT format." This tells ChatGPT exactly what you want, how many slides you need, and the topic of the presentation. After you send the prompt, wait for ChatGPT to generate the PowerPoint file. Depending on the request, it may take a few moments to prepare the presentation, so just give it a little time. Once the PPT has been created, you'll see a download option appear. Now click on the download icon to save the file to your device. After that, choose the folder where you want to keep it and download the presentation. When the download is complete, open the file to check that everything looks correct. You should now have your PowerPoint presentation ready to edit, present, or share. This method is fast, simple, and a huge time saver when you need slides generated quickly. You can also use the same process for other topics by changing the prompt to match your subject. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful AI and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.